Today I'm going to be talking about how you can use pivot table and also how you can calculate the change in dollars for sales. For instance, if you have 2 years of sales, how you can do that. So to get started, I'm going to go to my Excel sheet and I have a small sheet in here. I just have products from A to F and I have sales numbers for 2020 and 2021. First, let's just calculate the change in dollars between both years. So I'm going to click on a little open cell in here and just put the equal sign from the keyboard. Choose the first cell from the column C, subtracted by the B column in there, as you can see, and that will do the math for me in here. It says, hey, the difference is $8,090,000. So I'm going to double click the cursor in here, and that will do the math for me. And as you can see, sometimes there are negative values. That's because I'm dividing the smaller number by the bigger number, but it doesn't matter. I mean, just showing you the change of dollars between both years. Like year over year between 21 and 2021 over 2020. So in here I'm going to start my pivot table. So I'm going to click on the little arrow sign in here to choose the entire sheet. I'm then going to click insert and then pivot table, and then I press OK, and that will open my pivot table. Then I'm going to choose it. As you can see here on the right hand side, I have the pivot table fields, my columns. I'm going to drag the products to the rows. Then I'm going to drag the sales 20 to the values and sales 21 to the values as well. Also the change in dollars as well. I'm going to all fit them there. Now, secondly, I don't want the count for these values, so I'm going to click on that, the first one, and go value settings and click sum, press OK, and same thing for the other value because I want the total numbers. I don't want the counts. Same thing in here, value setting, click sum. And now shows me the numbers for all the change in dollars and the numbers for both years. Then I'm going to choose the entire numbers, including the totals that the pivot table has done for me. And right click with the mouse, format cells, go to number, remove the 2 decimals, and just use the separator with a comma and press OK. That will make the numbers nicer for me to see. Then lastly, I want to show you how you can put a pivot chart. I'm going to click on the pivot chart here from the top right. As you can see, I'm going to choose a column, but it's up to you if you want to choose a bar or a pie chart or whatever. I'm going to choose a column chart and then press OK. That will create the chart for me. I'm going to drag the chart a little bit to the right hand side, and just to walk you through it, on my x-axis I have the products from A to F, and on my y-axis I got the sales numbers. And then here on the values on the right side, there's the blue color represents the values or the sum of sales for 2020, the orange is for 2021, and the gray is the sum of change of dollars between both years year over year. So it's pretty simple to see. Just wanted to show you how you can visualize your data using pivot table and how to use it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty handy, and you can use a lot of different tools in here in the top, like design and like do different change of colors and presentation and all that, and you can analyze further and put a slicer and all this. I'm not going to go all through the details, but I just wanted to show you in basics how that works. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like it, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Until the next video, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.